Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to instantly convert your Shopee SPayLater balance into cash using GCash. This method is simple, fast, and safe, perfect if you need to use your SPayLater credit for something outside of Shopee. Before we start, here's a quick reminder. SPayLater is designed for Shopee purchases, so this process isn't an official Shopee feature. It's just a creative workaround that many users use responsibly. Always make sure you're dealing with trusted sellers or accounts when doing any conversion. All right, let's get started. First, open your Shopee app and go to SPayLater to check your available credit limit. You'll need to know exactly how much you can spend. Next, look for a trusted Shopee seller who offers GCash conversion or cash out services. These sellers usually list digital products like GCash Top-Up or SPayLater to GCash with clear instructions in their product description. Check their ratings and reviews carefully. Only deal with verified, highly rated sellers to avoid scams. Once you find a trusted seller, add their item to your cart and select SPayLater as your payment method during checkout. Complete the purchase as usual. After payment, send the seller a message with your GCash number or follow their provided instructions. Within a few minutes, sometimes instantly, you'll receive the equivalent amount in your GCash wallet minus any small service fee the seller charges. Always confirm the amount received and double-check that the sender's GCash name matches the one from the seller before marking your order as received. And that's it. Your SPayLater balance is now successfully converted into GCash. Pro tip: if you can't find reliable sellers directly on Shopee, some users use Shopee Pay top-ups or gift card options to transfer credits indirectly. Just be cautious and always verify before sharing personal details or sending payments outside of Shopee. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more money tips, app tutorials, and finance hacks. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.